Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to check your IP address with Windscribe in 2026. If you want to confirm that your VPN is working and your real location is hidden, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open the Windscribe app on your computer, phone, or browser extension and make sure you are logged in. Next, connect to any VPN server location from the available list. Now wait a few moments until Windscribe shows that the connection is active. Next, open your web browser and visit a website that shows your IP address. Now search for "What is my IP" in Google or open any trusted IP checking website. Next, compare the IP address shown on the website with your real IP location. Now check that the displayed location matches the VPN server country you selected in Windscribe. If the location has changed, it means your VPN is working correctly and your real IP is hidden. Next, you can disconnect the VPN and refresh the page to see your original IP address again. Finally, always double-check your IP after connecting to ensure your privacy is fully protected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check your IP address with Windscribe. Your VPN is now properly masking your real location. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.